Hello guys, we are going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy A50 SM and A505F slash DS dual SIM 128GB storage ROM 6GB RAM and 6.4-inch factory, and guys LTE Smart International and white version. Guys, this smartphone is comfortable and with the work and lots of have a very nice security. Guys, this is very nice in security. And after that, inches super AMOLED specification and touch screen, 16 megapixel colors and 1018. Guys, and here is the camera is a rear camera 25 megapixel and plus 8 megapixel and plus 5 megapixel, three cameras big and one flashlight. And here is the full package and hand free and very nice. Here is the colors, silver and orange and blue. Yes guys, this mobile's battery is very nice also and full charge and powerful, and 4000 mAh and very super chargeable and charge supportable. Now my YouTube channel, guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel and be my follower. It's my YouTube channel, and make this subscribe and click the red button, and you will be the subscribers. And after the subscribing, please press the bell icon and select all option. Thank you so much guys watching this video.